Ouch, that's my foot. What are you doing, Pepper? Mira, Mira. Miss Mira. Hi, Shine. Hi, Shine. You little Tobo lard. Hello, Shine. Man, y'all are kicking up dust. Miracle. Miss Mira. And there is Radar, the cat born with no eyes. Radar love. And he is the little demon. 3 different litters, that's why they're all different sizes. That I could surmise, 3 different ages. But I just grabbed the ones that were the sickest because they would let me grab them because they were all feral kittens. See? Demon. Which is why he was able to survive. Because he can hold his own because he was born with no eyes. These 2 are the closest in age. They're not siblings, but they were born at the same time. Within a couple of days. Radar! Like I said, he can hold his own. Born with no eyes, and basically, you know, he had to adapt. So he's kind of a little bully. Oh, you got the big one! Good job! And that pool noodle is to train him the difference between my leg and an inanimate object that he can claw on, which is working well now. Okay, I'll see you later.